Hello teacher, today I will share you about advantages and disadvantages of video conferencing. Video conferencing is a technology that allows people to communicate and hold meeting through video and audio over the internet. It is often used by business, schools, and organizations to connect people who are in different locations. Uh, One of its main advantages is convenience. It saves time and travel costs. People can work or study remotely, and it helps them stay connected easily. Moreover, uh, it supports uh, collaboration and quick decision making. However, video conferencing also has some disadvantages. It depends heavily on a stable internet connection and technical problem like lack or poor sound quality can affect communication. Besides, less face-to-face interaction, which can make dis- discussion less natural. In my opinion, conferencing is still a very useful and effective tools in today's digital world. Thank you for listening.